Yo, what's up, potatoes? Welcome to a brand new video and a grand welcome to all of us. And in this video, we're gonna watch amazing, really amazing animal saves another animal. It seems so. It's a very lengthy video, but I'm gonna take a small footage. The footage that is like a couple of minutes in length. So let's jump into this video real quick. Unbelievable animals that saved other animals. Okay. Top 7 best videos, and I watched the best videos. Yes. Bear saves crow from drowning. Okay.
Isso já tá chupando grama? Ja.
Seu Gui, né, que eu fiz foto. Mateo. Problema. Mica gatista, proprio zagrano, sciapo,
Você se lembra?
That's so touching. Usually the bears don't eat crows. Probably that might be the reason the bear saved the crow. I don't know.
Go in the water.
Is it a pig? Oh, okay. Both are vegetarians. Pig saving a goat. But so that's so touching, you know. If orangutan saves baby chick from drowning. Oh my god, this orangutan looks funny. Is it cuddling? No. Oh my god, that's so touching, and the orangutan was really funny. All right, guys. I'll drop the link in the description, and it's a very it's like a probably 9 minutes video, so I cannot watch the whole video in this reaction video. So I'll drop the link in the description. Please go and check out for the there are like 4 other scenarios actually. So if you want to check out, please go and check out. And yes, if you want me to react to more of this kind of videos, or not exactly this kind of videos, to any other video, please drop your comments or suggestions. Make sure you don't include the link, just the title, or probably if it's a music video, then probably the singer name, the song title. That's it. If you like my reaction video, please smash the like button, and if you want to keep on watching my reaction videos, then please do subscribe. Alright guys, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Keep frying the potatoes. Peace.